Hey everyone, Richard at Thunder here. This is your release video for Q1 of 2018. Today we'll be chatting about some really cool features that Thunder's released over in the Creative Studio editor. First, I want to say all of the features we're going to be looking at were all in line with many of the requests that came into Thunder from you all, so really thank you for your diligence and great feedback over to our team. With that said, this quarter Thunder released the Add Remove Ad Sites tool, a video import and export tool, and the ability to create interaction and scripting effects to layers, which really give you a new and unique method to interact and parlay information over with and to your ad viewers. Let's go ahead and just jump into it. Let's first take a look at the video feature. This tool allows you to both import MP4 files into your creatives, as well as the ability to export HTML5 animated banners by converting them over to an MP4 format. Using this tool for importing videos works using the same logic as photos. You'll simply just upload the video as an asset, and you can add it into your ad unit, or you can stretch it out even and use it more so as a design element in your ads. I'm going to click on this here now, and with this video layer selected, you can see both the toggle for player controls and autoplay accessible up here in the action bar. Exporting the HTML5 animated banners is also a cinch to do as well. We'll simply click the ad size you want to download, and with just a couple of clicks, you can have an MP4 file downloaded directly to your computer. Sweet, let's take a look now at using the Add and Remove Ad Size tool. This tool will clean up your canvas in a way and help you hone in on using banners that you're actually wanting to work with. Not only that, it also gives you the power to create your own custom sizes. So if any of you have really needed custom sizes in the past, you know that this workflow really required an email over to the Thunder support team and then a turnaround wait of up to 24 hours, which is kind of a bummer. Well, now you can really think of this as a workflow of days past. From the File menu, you can also quickly access this tool and then create a custom size or really easily delete an active ad unit with just a couple of clicks. As you've seen, that tool is really intuitive and provides you again a great way to declutter the canvas and build ad units specific to your creative plan. Sweet, let's lastly take a look at the interactions and scripting tools. Both of these tools are in the action bar in the properties panel here on the right, and both accomplish unique actions. For the interactions part, you can quickly set an on-click mouse in or out to trigger an animation. The setup for this is really just a couple of clicks. Notice I set up the saw to spin when I hover over within this specific layer. This really will come in handy if you're wanting to create an engaging call to action button when the ad's being viewed. Next, scripting is a tool that allows you to call a series of animations that exist in the animation timeline. This tool makes Thunder the first CMP to provide users the ability to create things like a terms and condition box, contest rules, legal information, really anything like that, really quickly, all without having any coding knowledge whatsoever. I'm quickly going to demo this by just showing you this ad here. You can see that I've set up a terms and condition box and then some assets that will frame this terms and condition text. What I then did was selected an entering and exiting animation, and then using those, I went into the action panel and linked the entering animations for each of those layers to one layer, and then linked the exiting animations to another layer. What you're doing here is creating a script where you're going to be triggering a set of animations to come in and then leave your ad. Again, the magic here is now that when you view this ad, anything from a mouse enter or exit or even a click will trigger those animations. Awesome. Lastly, I just want to point out our support portal, that's support.makethunder.com, has a really cool video library that encompasses some of the things we've talked about. I do want to stress, keep an eye out there for new video content that gets uploaded pretty regularly. And this about wraps up the product updates for this quarter. I hope everyone is as excited and thrilled as I am about getting to play and using these new features. Thanks again for watching, and keep an eye out for quarterly updates from your dedicated support team here at Thunder. Happy ad building, everyone. Take care.